Hello guys, welcome to Vipul Graphics. Today I am going to teach you about crop tool. So don't waste without your time. Let's get started. So guys, you can see this image on my screen. If you want to crop this area, so first of all you have to select the crop tool. So click here, I want this area, and click stretch and drop. So I want this area, and you can see option on crop tool. So you can click here for crop. So that's it. So guys, we have another option for cut this image. So you can click here for 1-2 seconds, and you can see this flyer, and second tool is knife. Click here, and first of all you can see this image edge. So first is click, and second edge drop. Then you can click pick tool. So you can see this image divided in two parts. That's it. So guys, we have third option, virtual segment delete tool. So click here. This tool work like this. You can see this. That's it. So guys, we have here fourth option, eraser tool. Select here, and round nib select. This work like this, and undo, and square nib, this work like this. That's it.